Perspectives, NP 1986 by 92, NCF 2005, RCFC Act 2009, Non-Detention Policy and their impact on assessment and learning quality CPS to for Odisha B.Ed and Education Honours. Policy Perspectives, NP 1986 by 92, NCF 2005, RCFC Act 2009, Non-Detention Policy and their impact on assessment and learning quality. India's education system has gone through many changes to make learning better for children. Different policies and frameworks have tried to improve assessment methods and reduce pressure on students. Below is a detailed explanation of each policy and its impact. 1. National Policy on Education, NPE, 1986 and modified NPE 1992. Key recommendations: focus on making learning more child-centered and joyful. Emphasis on continuous and comprehensive evaluation, CCE, instead of only final exams. Reduce the importance of rote memorization. Use evaluation to help students learn, not just to pass or fail them. Problems impact. Though the policy encouraged CCE, in many schools the traditional exam system continued. Teachers were not fully trained to implement new assessment methods. Marks and exams still remain the main method of evaluation, especially in higher classes. 2. National Curriculum Framework, NCF, 2005. Key recommendations: make learning activity-based, fun, and connected to real life. Promote formative assessment, where teachers assist students regularly through projects, classwork, group activities, and discussions. Reduce pressure of marks and encourage understanding. Assessment should help identify strengths and weaknesses so that support can be provided. Problems impact. Although the ideas were progressive, many schools still continued with textbook-based teaching and exams. Teachers often lacked time or training to implement continuous assessments. There was confusion on how to carry out CCE properly in large classrooms. 3. Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education, RCFCE, Act, 2009. Key provisions: every child aged 6 to 14 has the right to free and quality education. Introduced the non-detention policy, no child can be failed or expelled from school up to class 8. Mandated the use of CCE in schools for regular assessment. Aim to reduce exam fear and dropouts. Implications: positive side, students were not afraid of failing, and weaker students had time to improve. Negative side, some students and teachers started taking studies lightly. Schools promoted all students, even those who were not ready, affecting learning quality. Many teachers felt that without detention, students had no motivation to study seriously. 4. Non-detention policy and its impact. Purpose of non-detention policy: to reduce exam pressure and create a stress-free learning environment. To give children a chance to improve without fear of failure. Implications for assessment: students promoted automatically from class to class, even without basic learning. Learning levels dropped, especially in government schools. Teachers found it difficult to manage classrooms with students of very different learning levels. Assessment lost its seriousness as it had no impact on promotion. Overall impact on quality of learning. Many of these policies had good intentions like reducing stress, improving learning, and making assessment meaningful. However, the implementation was weak. Teachers were not trained, schools lacked resources, and assessment was still focused on marks. The CCE system, though a good concept, failed in many places due to lack of clarity and support. The non-detention policy, while reducing fear of failure, also reduced seriousness among students and teachers. As a result, the quality of learning in many schools did not improve as expected. Conclusion: India's education policies like NP 1986 by 92, NCF 2005, and RCFC Act 2009 tried to improve assessment by focusing on continuous, child-friendly evaluation. The non-detention policy aimed to reduce pressure but had mixed results. These policies showed a shift towards learning over exam results, but proper implementation, teacher training, and awareness are still needed to ensure that assessment truly helps improve the quality of education in Indian schools.